Wondered how to achieve a natural makeup look? It's the subtle art of enhancing your features without going overboard. This video will guide you through the process, step by step. You'll discover how easy it is to create a fresh, natural look that's as perfect for a day at the office as it is for a night out on the town. It's all about simplicity and effectiveness, and we're here to show you how. So, get ready to master the art of natural makeup. The secret to a natural makeup look starts with a well-prepared canvas, your skin. This isn't just about vanity, it's about health and confidence. Clean and moisturized skin is the cornerstone of any great makeup application. It's like priming a wall before painting. It allows the colors to shine and last longer. Let's talk about the 3 fundamental steps to skin prep: cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Cleansing removes dirt, oil, and makeup from your skin, providing a clean surface for your makeup to adhere to. Toning helps to balance your skin's pH levels, keeping it in its happy place. And moisturizing? That's the hydration hero, keeping your skin supple and smooth. Each of these steps has its unique benefits, but together they create the perfect base for your natural makeup look. They contribute to a smoother application, longer wear, and overall, a more polished appearance. With your skin prepped, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now it's time to create a flawless base with foundation and concealer. Foundation is like the canvas for your makeup artistry. The key is to find a color that matches your skin tone perfectly. Test different shades on your jawline, not your hand, for the truest match. Go for a formula that's designed for your skin type, be it oily, dry, or combination. Now let's talk about concealer. It's your secret weapon to hide any imperfections and brighten up your complexion. The color should be 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Apply it sparingly on areas like under eyes, around the nose, and any blemishes. The magic lies in blending. Use a damp beauty sponge or a brush for foundation and a smaller, precise brush for concealer. Blend, blend, blend until the product becomes undetectable on your skin. Remember, less is more for a natural look. With a perfect base, you're halfway through a natural makeup look. Let's shift focus to the eyes and lips, shall we? When aiming for a natural look, the key is subtlety. You want to enhance your features, not overshadow them. Starting with the eyes, opt for neutral shades that complement your skin tone. A light beige or soft brown is perfect for most skin tones. Sweep the eyeshadow across your lids, blending it gently towards the crease. This gives your eyes a touch of depth and definition without appearing overly dramatic. Next comes the mascara. While it's tempting to add multiple coats for voluminous lashes, remember the goal is to keep it natural. 1 to 2 coats of a lengthening mascara should do the trick. It adds just enough emphasis to make your eyes pop without going overboard. Now, let's talk lips. Choosing a lip color that complements your skin tone and enhances the natural color of your lips is crucial. If you're unsure, a good rule of thumb is to go for shades that are just 1 or 2 shades darker than your natural lip color. Finally, apply the lipstick, starting from the center of your lips and blending it outwards. This technique ensures an even application and a more natural finish. Remember, the beauty of natural makeup lies in its simplicity. It's all about enhancing your natural features and letting your true beauty shine through. With your eyes and lips done, you're almost there. We're on the final stretch now. Time for some finishing touches. Let's start with blush. A subtle flush of color to the apples of your cheeks can enhance your natural beauty, giving you that healthy, radiant glow. Now, for the highlighter. This is the secret to achieving that dewy, fresh-faced look. Gently sweep it along your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your Cupid's bow for an irresistible glow. Next, let's set everything in place. A quality setting spray is your best friend here, ensuring your makeup stays put and fresh all day long. So, let's recap. We've prepped the skin, applied foundation and concealer, added some natural eye and lip makeup, and finished off with blush, highlighter, and setting spray. And there you have it, a stunning natural makeup look that enhances your features without overshadowing your true beauty. Voila! You've mastered the natural makeup look. Remember, less is more when it comes to natural makeup, and practice makes perfect. Happy blending!